Alright, here we go. We're replacing the control arms. So we starting already over here with one of them. See, I already got this one loose. Alright, yeah, so I got that screw out. I got that one out. Now I'm gonna go for this one where the sway bar is. And then we're gonna go for that one right there. This is easier than what I thought it's gonna be. So first we tackled this one, then we tackled this one. You're gonna need a one on the top, 18s, right, and the bottom, and then this one's a 19, which is almost out. Then the sway bar, and then got the new one right there. It's hot though. So we get it out. Holy shit, this garbage. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, check it out. That's fucked. This one's fucked too right there. That's the old one. Right here. We got the new one. So yeah, and this for the other side. Pretty easy, not that hard. Now you just gotta make sure you do everything right. You got all the correct tools and all the correct jacks, position, extra tie right there. So yeah, fun. Now I'm gonna drink a beer. I look like hobo. I already know, so I got the shirt still broken. I actually just showered, but it's really hot outside. But I'm about to have a beer, cause just got this guy out. About to put that one in. Everything where it needs to go, all aligned, and it's looking pretty good. So yeah, just came by Corvette boy, different driveway. Yo, we're in different driveway now, but yeah, just checking out the situation right here. It's looking good. I already got it all in there in place. Everything's tying up. Okay. Alright, so lower control arm number 1 done. Oh yo, let me just show you how fucked up this lower control arm is. It's completely broken, dude. Oh my god, dude. And then let's check this guy out. Ooh, yeah. I think they're supposed to do that. And then this one. Sounds good. Alright, yo. So, the first control arm is done, which was actually pretty easy. I thought it was going to be harder, but it was pretty easy. And I say this because I don't live in the north, where all the cars are rusted out. Oh, shit. And then all the screws. There's some crazy bug flying over there. Anyway, and everything's just rusted out and breaking. Chill, bro. And everything's just rusted out and breaking, you know? So I'm glad for that, but this was easy as fuck. And yeah, gotta do the other one so I can get it registered and get the license, and I can start hitting up meets and hitting up the road legally, because I'm not trying to get tickets, even though it's already insured. So yeah, I just got the old one out, and I had a little bit of trouble, but we're just gonna put the new one out. And actually, sorry. And there's Toby boy. Alright, yeah, so by the way, I just launched the online store. It's gonna have badass t-shirts like this one I just have right here in my hand. All 100% original, made by me, so check it out. And this for the YouTube channel. So first of all, just look at this. Yep, that's a Porsche. Yep, that's a sawfish, shark. And there's gonna be other editions of this coming out, but they're gonna be. They're gonna be 25 each on the website. I got another batch coming in because I only ordered 20 and they're already gone. So I got already another 20 coming in. And then the design on the car is gonna change. So yeah, I'm very excited. They're really good quality. They're screen printed, Hanes, tagless. They're really good. So check them out. And the store's gonna be on the link, so on the description. I mean, so there you go. Yo, long day, but we're done, bro. We're done. Cheers. Cheers for the boys. But yeah, we got done. Now the next step is just getting on the ramps. So we're gonna get the car on the ramp so I can tighten up everything up real good. You know what I'm saying? With the weight and everything, you got that's what you gotta do. So I cannot fit underneath there. It's too low. But yeah. Good day. So tomorrow I'm just gonna go get the sticker, and then I'm gonna go get the license plates for the car, the new ones, and we're gonna be Gucci to go. Hell yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Make sure to check out the merch because it's gonna be lit, and there's gonna be new merch coming up. So yeah, see you guys later.